everyone. So we are going to do a mini unboxing of GoPro Hero 10 and also the helmet mount cage which will fit in the media mod as well. So let's see. I already unboxed the GoPro, but what all accessories are included in the bundle. I actually ordered the bundle version of it. I ordered it to one of my friend's place and he sent it to India through his parents. This is a GoPro Hero 10 bundle. So let's get it unboxed. So what's all included are over here. You will see that. So this is a nice case. So once you open it, you can see some stickerings and also instructions and the manual booklet. So these are the contents inside. The main camera, GoPro Hero 10. We'll come back to this. The next thing is the clip. This bit sturdy clip, you can use it to clip onto your t-shirt or something. And they have mounting jack. And I got SD card free, which is of 32 GB, Samsung one. This is a different adapter I have kept. And also there is one more mount which can be used to stick onto your helmets. This is a curvy mount, so it sticks to a curvy part of the helmet so that you can mount the GoPro. And I have ordered for this bundle includes a spare battery as well, and also it comes with a USB cable, type A to type C. And here inside you have straight mount which can be used, and also a couple of screws to be fixed to the mount. Next up is the shorty. This kind of a tripod. I guess those are the contents inside, so we can move the case off. So this is a shorty. So you can mount the GoPro on top of it and use it as a tripod. This has small extension also there. So this is how it is. So you can see the length of it by keeping the GoPro. So you can, and now let's unbox the GoPro. So this is a GoPro Hero 10, bit bigger than the Hero 5, so that it doesn't fit in that previous case, so I have to order the new case for the helmet mount. And this has a clip-ons which you must have seen. So this is a label and just switch it on. So you can see there are preset settings available. Either you can edit them and save them so that you can directly select those and use it forward. So technicalities and all, you might find a lot of videos. So that's about the unboxing of GoPro. And next up is the helmet mount. This is Lenzi's plastic mount, which is around 1000 to 49 bucks. And this is a box. You see it is open. There is one more which is metal case. I don't recommend using that for the helmet mount because it becomes bulky and it adds on more weight to your helmet, which is not recommended. So, and in case of crashes, there might be chances of you getting hurt. So plastic mounts are safe because it breaks off and it's better. And yeah, these things also you can remove. So this is a cap to protect the front shield in case of not using it. So let's fix the GoPro and see. So this opens up like this, just a button, and you can unwrap it and put the GoPro inside. And yes, you can see there is a bulge on this side. This is kind of for the battery. So you need to remove this in case you want to use the medium one. So you can remove this like this. Be gentle on it and just pull it off. In similar way, you need to remove this as well. Slide the GoPro in. So that's how it fits. So just clip it back. And here as well, just clip it out. So you can see you will be able to access the USB, and the media mod fits in here, and this is how it looks after fitting. And to remove the front part, just pull it and it comes off. And even for the front part, I guess you can slide it out so that you can use it as it is. You don't need these extra fittings. This is the old one which I was using for Hero 5. And this is the media mount. So this is how you put in, and you can bend it and fix it. That's it. So your media mod is also connected. You can connect the microphone over here to the 3.5mm extension, and you can use it. And that's the quick unboxing of the GoPro and as well as the case. Thank you for watching. We'll come back with another ride video where I use this on my helmet.